researched how to buy shares of Myseum Inc. Myseum Inc. is known for interactive museum exhibits and technology. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MYSE. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document. You will also need to add funds before placing a trade. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker MYSE. Locate the Myseum Inc. listing among the results and select the entry that matches the NASDAQ listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for MYSE. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, choose the Buy or Trade button and enter the amount you want to invest. Review order details, fees, and order type, then confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to visit the platform.